Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set VLC Media Player as your default video player on Windows. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. On the left side, select Apps. Now click on Default Apps. Scroll down until you find VLC Media Player and select it. Here, you'll see a list of file formats like MP4, MKV, and AVI. Click on each format and choose VLC as the default app. Once you're done, close the Settings window. Now, anytime you open a video file, it will automatically play with VLC Media Player. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tech tutorials on the channel.